So let's talk about how to find vertical asymptotes. To find the vertical asymptote, we're going to set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. So to find the vertical asymptotes, for this lesson we're going to focus on finding the vertical asymptote and also finding domain. So to find the vertical asymptote, I set the denominator equal to 0. So on this one here, I'm going to set x plus 4 equal to 0. Solve it for x, subtract 4 from both sides, and I get x equals negative 4. Now, when we're talking about the vertical asymptote, it is a vertical line. And so when you graph x equals negative 4, you're actually talking about the equation of that vertical line. Now, as far as domain, my domain would be all real numbers, but x cannot equal negative 4. And the reason being is if I plug negative 4 in for x, I get negative 4 plus 4, which gives me 0, and we can't divide by 0. Now for the next one, once again, set the denominator equal to 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. I subtract 3 from both sides, and I get x equals negative 3. So my vertical asymptote is at x equals negative 3. Now to find domain, I would say all real numbers, but x cannot equal negative 3. And once again, if I get negative 3, plug it in for x, negative 3 plus 3 is 0, and we can't divide by 0. And once again, even though on this next one there's a plus 2 here on the outside, we're still worried about that denominator. So I'm still focusing on just the 3x plus 2. So I set 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Subtract 2 from both sides. I get 3x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 3. And I get x equals negative 2/3 for the vertical asymptote. So my domain, once again, all real numbers, x cannot equal negative 2/3.